guys, it's Ashley and I'm at 7206 Bode Ferry, located in Blair Oaks School District. This is a great home. It sits on 2 acres and you have a beautiful view behind the home. So just looking out the kitchen window, you see beautiful rolling hills of farmland, cattle back there, beautiful sunrises. It is a 4-bedroom home. Lots of updates. Recently, they have updated the carpet. Also, you have heated tile floor in the master bath. You have a finished basement as well. Lots of storage in this home. Nice kitchen, formal dining room. It just offers so much. So come on in and take a look inside.